So this is the front of the building, and a lot of this stuff is set up for Friday. We got some reproduction visible pumps that we put under the awning here, and there'll be more stuff coming out for the Friday sale. Got the telephone booths, vintage Pepsi cooler, Coke cooler, another Pepsi cooler. Some cool stuff for sure. Vintage phone booth. Still needs to be lettered up, and got that on order. And there's going to be a telephone set inside it, and it's a California phone booth because the windows aren't going to be in it, but that'll be for the next owner if he wants to do that. And some cool shell signs, and then we're going to go into the next room gallery. I call it the antique gallery. Got some wild stuff in there, and cut out stagecoach again, and then the Magic Mountain sign up above, and these two bums that are always sleeping. But this is stuff that I pulled out of my house. Decorated my garage in a Western theme. And my rec room downstairs with clocks and crocs and fire extinguishers, or torches I should say, and old couple of milkshake makers, some beautifully restored trunks, stagecoach trunk from the late 1800s, beautiful wagon wheel coffee table, and it actually rotates. Company made that in Gravenhurst. Some really cool Western stuff. I call it shit, but stuff. And yeah, the tapestry there, and some. So it's not all about gas pumps. It's my retirement sale, selling, these are grandfather clocks that I was going to restore, and they're just the cases. And again, it's all got to go. Really nice diner set with the Kellogg's cereal collection of plates and cups and saucers, barber chairs and parlor stoves, and oil cans, and John Deere Junior pumps, John Deere stuff, John Deere Globe, bubblegum machine, cash registers, some old safes, ice box that wasn't restored, an amazing weigh scale that was done, just another great piece, and really cool vintage wash machine, sandblasted and clear coated, come out of Renfrew, Ontario. A barrel chair, some wooden wheels, as you can see. Another weigh scale, unrestored, at least it's been painted once, but not by us. But and again, excuse me. A lock collection. The clock comes later, but you got to be like 100 locks on here, and some of them are probably dating back into the 1800s. But put it in a frame, really a unique piece, and you got the steer horns, 3 sets I believe, or pieces, different steer horns. There's the clock. I knew there was a clock in the collection. Vintage tools, right down to an antique toaster. And homemade stop sign table, and ammunition box. But just don't know what you're going to find, because we're still pulling stuff out. Here's a nice little Coke set, and got some really neat mantle clocks that I've had. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and you've seen part of it, of what we got in the sale, because you know the scale is just too large for me to do every piece. But you'll get to see more when you arrive. And the viewing day's Thursday, June 21st. I believe our date's set for 12 noon. And as you can see, then we come into this, the other gallery. Oh yeah. Everywhere you look, there's going to be something cool. There's no doubt about it. So, auction date 22nd, 23rd of June, Friday, Saturday. And we will put another video together as we get the place cleaned up and a little more organized than what it is. And hope to see you at our sale. Thanks for tuning in. That's Bob at Bob's Gas Pump Restorations, BK Super Auction. Have a good one.